pinagkaiba ni Izanagi tsaka ni Shadow? Ito lang. Izanagi is a full automated. Izanagi is the strategy. Izanagi is the mother bot, the mother of all. It's the longest running bot in the Philippines. Pag sinabing longest, siya yung pinakamatagal na walang nasunog. Zero sunog. So lahat ng nilalaunch dyan na Forex, okay, longest, nasa going 5 years na to. Undisputed. Okay, yan yung si Izanagi. It's the hour bot. Si Izanagi has two criteria, has two phases. Izanagi is si automated. Okay, so si automated, 100%. Meron siyang 100%. Itong 100% na to, kumikita siya historically between 1 to 3%. So, ibig sabihin, kahit wala kang ginagawa, 1 to 3% yung performance niya. Passive. Okay? So, passive. Capital nito is $500. Passive, automated. May strategy din dyan that Izanagi can teach you to trade. We call it Shadow Clone or Shadow 1. Si Izanagi is the longest zero bot. May two phases siya na offered in the public which is automated, this one. Tapos, meron din siyang manual.